How to withdraw your hard-earned money from the Cryptomania trading simulator. Whether you're new to Cryptomania or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step guide will ensure you get your funds quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, let's briefly go over what Cryptomania is. Cryptomania is a trading simulator that allows you to practice trading cryptocurrency without risking real money. However, once you've made virtual profits, you can cash out to actual currency. Here's how. Step 1 is to log into your Cryptomania account. Open the app or go to the Cryptomania website and enter your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here you'll see your total balance, recent trades, and other account details. Look for the Withdraw Funds option, which is usually located on the account or wallet section. Click on Withdraw Funds. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter the amount you can wish to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount and ensure you have enough virtual funds to cover it. Next, you'll need to select your withdrawal method. Cryptomania usually offers several options such as bank transfer, PayPal, or cryptocurrency wallet. Choose the method that works best for you. Enter your payment details carefully. Double check your bank account number or PayPal email to avoid any mistakes. Once everything is filled out correctly, hit submit. You'll receive a confirmation message stating that your withdrawal request is being processed. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the method you choose. And that's it. Withdrawing your money from Cryptomania is straightforward as long as you follow the steps. Remember to always keep your account details secure and double check your withdrawal information.